we wish to find the complex logarithm of the number -3, and our branch cut will be pi. The logarithm of a complex number involves the argument of the complex number, and there are infinitely many such arguments. When we make a branch cut, it is a means of selecting a specific argument. So with the branch cut of pi, that means that we're going to pick the value of the argument that lies in the interval from pi to pi plus 2 pi, which is 3 pi. So the argument that we're going to be interested in for our complex number is in this interval. This interval has a length of 2 pi. Whenever you pick a branch cut at some number alpha, then that means that you're taking the argument to be bigger than alpha and less than or equal to alpha plus 2 pi. There will be exactly one argument in this interval for any non-zero complex number. So the log with branch cut pi of -3 is the natural log of the modulus of -3 plus I times the argument of -3, where the argument that we choose will lie in this interval from pi to 3 pi. Now the modulus of -3 is 3. So this is the natural log of 3 plus I times the argument of -3. -3, a negative real number, has one of the arguments is pi. All of the arguments would be pi plus 2k pi, where k is an integer. And we're looking for the angle that satisfies this compound inequality. So it looks like we're going to have to use 3 pi, because notice this is argz strictly bigger than pi, but less than or equal to 3 pi. Pi and 3 pi are coterminal, so 3 pi is the choice. So the log of -3 with branch cut pi is the natural log of 3 plus 3 pi I.